Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to share with you an amazing kitchen gadget, the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO 8.5-quart multi-cooker. This 8-in-1 multi-cooker will take your cooking experience to the next level. So, let's dive into why this product should be in your kitchen. Product review. The Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO is an 8.5-quart multi-cooker designed for professional cooking. This product offers 8 different cooking methods, including slow cooking, Dutch oven, steaming, broiling, sautéing, searing, stir-frying, and more. What this means is that you can slow cook your meals for hours or cook a meal in just 30 minutes. It's that versatile. Key features. 1. 8-in-1 functionality. Not only can you slow cook, but you can also use it as a Dutch oven, steamer, broiler, sauté pan, stir-fry cooker, baker, and even for soups and sauces. This will definitely fulfill all your cooking needs. 2. Non-stick coated pot. The special non-stick pot prevents food from sticking, making cleaning up afterwards super easy. 3. Glass lid and integrated spoon. The glass lid allows you to watch your food as it cooks, and the integrated spoon makes cooking even more convenient. 4. Oven safe. The pot can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for baking as well. 5. Stylish design. The sea salt gray color makes this multi-cooker an attractive addition to any kitchen. Performance. This multi-cooker is powerful and works incredibly fast. Whether you're preparing a large stew or roast for the whole family or just making a quick meal, it delivers. If you love slow cooking, this product is perfect for you as it simmers meals over time for delicious, tender dishes. It also works efficiently for quick meals, giving you the best of both worlds. Customer Amazon reviews. Here's what some Amazon customers are saying about the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO. 1. Verified purchase, Sarah J. I absolutely love this multi-cooker. It has made cooking so much easier for me. The slow cooker function works perfectly, and I also use it for roasting and baking. The non-stick surface is a huge bonus for easy cleanup. Plus, it looks great on my countertop. 2. Verified purchase, Brian M. This is hands down the best kitchen appliance I've ever purchased. The 8-in-1 functions are extremely versatile, and I love how easy it is to switch between them. It's durable, easy to clean, and makes meal prep a breeze. 3. Verified purchase, Lisa T. I was hesitant at first, but now I use it every day. It cooks meals quickly and perfectly, and I no longer have to use multiple pots. The glass lid allows me to check on food without removing it, which is a nice touch. 4. Verified purchase, Robert S. Perfect for large meals. I can cook enough for my entire family without issues. The non-stick pot and oven-safe capabilities make it so much easier to cook different kinds of meals. Highly recommend. So, that was our full review of the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO. If you love cooking and want to make your kitchen work easier, this is definitely the product for you. We hope this review helped you decide if this is the right fit for your cooking needs. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.